All right, it's another, got another gift for myself. Many of you are probably familiar with K1 Racing, or K1 Speed, because they do the go-kart racing. Now, K1 Speed is actually known for go-kart racing, indoor go-kart racing, but they also make car racing equipment. All right, here they are. It's really hard to find gloves when you're shopping for them online, because it's like, how am I gonna know exactly how well a glove fits on my hand? Even with measurements, sometimes it's really tough. So I was like torn between a medium and large, but with large, and wow, that's actually quite perfect, to be honest with you. I don't think I could have gotten a better size. If anything, it's a little bit on the small size. I don't consider my hands to be super big. I have kind of long but thinner fingers compared to the average male. But yeah, this seems to be a really good fit. I'm really impressed so far. I think this is a really good buy. They're a little bit more affordable compared to the Sparko gloves. I wanted the Sparko gloves, but it was really hard to find a good price online for them, and longer shipping times, and not in the right color, the right size. So you can see here, SFI 3.35. That means you can basically have this glove on fire and you will not get second-degree burns for about 10 seconds. You got 10 seconds to turn it off. Or you got about 10 seconds to like rip this off if you are on fire. So 10 seconds is kind of the standard, or the minimum requirement, I should say. If anything, they're almost on the small side. See how it's kind of going right against my wrist here. Wish I could show you better because I don't have three hands, but to hold the camera with. If anything, it'd be perfect if it's at right here instead of right here. It's a very small complaint. They're about $90 shipped. They feel comfortable. I like the grips on them. I'm going to test it out with my sim and see how it goes. So the measurement guides basically say measure around here. And that's kind of what I went with. I think I might have gone one size up. But yeah, very satisfied. I'm very happy I got a large instead of a medium. Yeah, but large was good for me at 21 centimeters around my hand. If your hand is any bigger, I would probably go to an extra large, because I think it goes small, medium, large, extra large, extra large. It might even have a triple XL. So I guess the packaging is still entertaining somehow.